Right, your phone rings and you've no idea who it is. So you stop what you're doing and go and look. But what if you didn't have to? What if your mum had her own tune, your other half had theirs, and a random spam call just gave you a flat, boring buzz? Here's how to set that up. So here's the main way, and it works on most Android phones. No apps, completely free. Open your contacts and tap the person you want. Then tap the three dots up in the top right corner, and there it is. Tap set ringtone, pick any tone you like, and that's it. From now on, when that person calls, you'll hear their tune and know exactly who it is without lifting a finger. Now, if you've got a Samsung, it's laid out a bit differently, so don't panic. Open contacts, tap the person, then tap edit, tap view more, and you'll find ringtone in there. Pick one from the list or tap the plus to use your own music file, then hit save. Same result, just a couple of extra taps. Samsung likes to hide things, but it's all there. Now, what everyone really wants, an actual song as the ringtone. Here's the honest truth. You can't just grab a song straight from Spotify or Apple Music because those are locked inside the app. But you can use any MP3 you actually own or trim a clip with a free ringtone maker. Once you've got that MP3, save it into your ringtones folder, then go to settings, sound of vibration, phone ringtone, and it'll appear in the list ready to assign. Only ever use music you own and proper apps, nothing dodgy. And here's how to really show off. In that same contact screen, you can often set a custom text tone too, and even a vibration pattern, things like heartbeat or TikTok. So now you know who's calling and who's texting, even with your phone facing down in your pocket, just from the buzz. Two things to know, this varies a bit on your phones, and the contact has to be saved to your Google account, not just your SIM card, or it won't. So there you go, contacts, tap the person, set ringtone, done. Remember, a song has to be an MP3 first, and text tones and vibrations take it even further. Never look at your phone to know who wants you again. Tell me below, who's getting their own ringtone